Okay guys, so today's video is pantry reorganization. Okay guys, overlook the hair and the non-makeup, but so what we're doing is these are stackable and these all come from the Dollar Tree. Last year I tried these with some labels, but the labels didn't stick, as you can see, because, well, yeah. So this year I'm just writing on them. If I don't like it, and I do, if you guys know of any labels that's actually going to stick on these, leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to try those out. Otherwise, I'm just writing on them. If I don't like it, I can always turn these around to the back side that I haven't wrote on yet and, you know, redo something else. But for now, I'm just writing on them. That way, when I bring groceries home, that doesn't end up the way it was, and everything has a place. Okay guys, this is my finished product for my pantry. As you can see, my doors can actually close. Check it. Okay, so up here I've got $10 worth of storage items from the Dollar Tree. There are 8 of these stackables and 2 of these larger baskets. On the bottom one I have all of our peanut butter. We like peanut butter, so I have all of our peanut butters. We have the creamy and this one right here, the Peter Pan, I really like for making no-bake cookies. It's really good. And then we have crunchy. I bought this one because I thought we was out of peanut butter, but I have almost a whole tray of peanut butter that I found when I cleaned this thing out. So that is why we are cleaning our pantry, so that we don't double buy on stuff. The rest of the stuff I have in there, oops, is some pastas. I have these little packs of macaroni and cheese single serves, so if the kids get hungry, I have those there. And then we have the bigger macaroni and cheeses that we can make for meals. And then on this side, I just have 4 more of those containers, and we have what we use, and I can see what I need to buy, what I'm out of, and so on and so forth. I didn't have anywhere else to stick these, so I just stuck these in front, but I can still see what's behind them, no problems. Same with my Jello. So that's just right there. It's something we're going to grab and go with. These containers my mom got for me for Christmas, and I honestly don't know where she got them from, but they work really good. And I just got some white beans and some oats and some rice in them, so I can see how my levels are and what I need to buy and what I'm good with. And then I just stacked a couple other things. Overlook the squished box. It's what happens when you have kids just throw stuff in the cabinets. Yeah, so, and then I have my wheat flour in a container so that we can actually you know, use that. My spaghetti noodles I have just stacked up down here, so it's easy to find. And then I just have some oddball stuff over here on the side. Oops, sorry. Some oddball stuff here on the side. And then in these little baskets here, I have 3 of these baskets from the Dollar Tree, so another $3 here. And I just have one with condiments that we use on a regular basis, and behind that the stuff that we don't use as often but we still need. And then I stacked some other stockables up behind this basket, and this basket I just put in some of the side dishes like the flavored rices and noodles and things like that for the meals. We have some ice cream cones back there because we like our ice cream, so I try to keep those on stock. And then I also have our drink mixes back here, the bigger containers. We have like the little packets of Kool-Aid up here, but every once in a while we'll buy the bigger stuff because, well, it's easier. So I kept that there, and then some already pre-done milk because I also have the mixes up here for the milk also. So that stuff's in here, and then I have just a couple oddballs and then a couple packs of ramen noodles there. So the third section down here is just 50 pounds of potatoes. These baskets I got at the Dollar Tree, $1 a piece. They come in multiple colors, so you know. And these baskets right here that the ramen noodles are in, they come in a pack of 3, I believe it is, for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So overall, for the full Dollar Tree supplies for this pantry, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 in supplies for that. My husband is going to build me a shelf here so that I can have some more space because this is so unutilized down here. And then that jar, I bought that at Walmart and I honestly don't remember the price on it. I'm sorry. It's just a glass jar, one of the big ones, and we have our brown beans, the dried beans, kept in there because we eat those quite often. So just, you know, keeping that stuff. I didn't have another one of these containers, so I'm just using what I've got. So yeah, I hope this gets you guys motivated to kind of go through and get your stuff organized so that you can see what you got and help you with your meal plannings and things, because you know what you need to go shopping for and whatnot. I will do another video on the other cabinet where we're actually putting all of our canned goods that came out of this cabinet, and show you how we're getting that organized too. So hope you guys are enjoying your Monday. Talk to you soon. Bye.